What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had a question related to this issue recently. Now I can't say whether it's fortunately or unfortunately, but I have the same issue and thankfully I'm able to give you an example for this. Now what's happening over here is there are some leaves that are drying in between the succulent. It's not necessary only the lower leaves, but they are happening in between the succulent. Like for example over here, as you can see, this one, the leaf is turned yellow, but it is not inflated. The leaf is more deflated. I will take out the leaf. Hopefully I can take it out. Here we go. So you can see this is how the leaf tends to look like. Now this is the leaf that I have pulled out. You can see it's very dry. Unlike an overwatered succulent, this doesn't look like that, even though it's yellow in color, but it looks like everything has been sucked out from this leaf and there is a bump. Now this bump is more likely like an edema. This can happen due to underwatering. When the cells tend to burst, this is a very common thing that you will notice. This is not related with fungus or any kind of mold or any disease, but it is because of underwatering. This succulent was underwatered. One, it is a papercrete pot. I forgot to water it. There is a lot of dry leaves. Now because it rained today morning, so it did get wet, but you can see this is how it will have issues if the succulent is extremely dehydrated. Now of course, if this succulent was in a plastic pot, probably the case wouldn't have been this worse, but over here, because it was in a papercrete pot which tends to pull out the moisture, the soil is loose, porous, well draining, and I forgot to water. This is an haworthia Christmas, Aguides Christmas, and it was underwatered, due to which you will be able to see a lot of dry leaves. So this is a very big giveaway that the succulent was dehydrated, because if this was an overwatered case, you will never find leaves like this which are crisp and which are happening in between. Probably the succulent is pulling out water from random leaves and hence it is starting to dry out. This is a very common case of underwatering. Again, every succulent reacts very differently to underwatering, so we need to keep that in mind as well. Again, all of these things will come through experience. I recently had this issue of someone saying that their leaves are turning crisp in between the succulent. Ideally, it's the lower leaves. In a normal case, the lower leaves will turn dry as and when the succulent starts to mature. But this is a premature drying of leaves, and that too in between. So there is something that is not going right, which is that we are not doing a proper watering. So if you happen to notice this, please don't be worried. It is not overwatering, but it is a complete opposite case. It is being underwatered extremely. So always keep a check. Lower leaves getting dried out, that's a very normal phenomena, but when the leaves randomly start getting dried in between, that is a big cause of concern, because that's related with extreme underwatering. So I hope you were able to get a fair idea why does this happen, and you are going to keep a watch on your watering. Do not keep them extremely underwatered, especially now that we are going to be transitioning into spring or summer, depending upon your location and your environment. Keep a close watch when you have to water. The best way, if you are confused about watering, is check for the lower leaves. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.